everybody, welcome back. If you saw my last video, I am doing something similar today, except I'm going to do an all black base Dutch pour, and just going to be using 3 colors today. That's it. The metallic cobalt blue, the primary magenta, and pearl blue. That is going to be it. Well, and Happy New Year, everybody. I would also like to wish my parents a very happy 24th wedding anniversary today. So these colors today are definitely kind of inspired from all the pretty fireworks last night. I think this will be just beautiful. These colors just absolutely pop on a black background. These air bubbles. Okay. I'm going to start with the pearl blue. I'm just trying to decide on composition. I think I'm gonna do, yeah, I'm really liking this composition that I've been doing on these 10 by 20 canvases lately. I really like the shape of this, how this turns out. Okay. And I want to get a little bit of space in between here. I really like this, but I just would like to make sure that we can keep some space in there with that black. Oh, it's gorgeous. And this is one of those ones I love where you hardly have to, you know, just fuss with it a little bit here and there, and that's kind of it. I love when that happens. Yeah, I don't even really want to touch anything. Scrape my strips. Oh, it's fabulous. I'm looking at the camera and it's almost looking, that pink's looking a little bit red in there, that primary magenta, but it is really, really pink over here on my end. And it's just, oh, it's gorgeous. And those hints of that pearl blue poking out in here and the purple it made. Yeah, love it. I'll take you down for a close-up. All right, here we are just a minute later. And oh, look at how vibrant it is. Under a coat of crystal resin, it is just, it's gonna be gorgeous. I cannot wait. You can see all that shimmer in there from the cobalt and the pearl. Really does look red in the camera, but it is quite a bit pinker in person. Cells. On their neck, you can kind of see some of the pink. Gorgeous. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Would love to hear what you guys think. Please make sure you're subscribed. Drop me a comment below. And I hope you guys have an absolutely wonderful New Year's Day. Take care. We'll see you on the next video.